Hi everyone, Sean here from the Sci-Fi Model Guy with a very special announcement. Folks, this coming Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Central, that's October 6th, we are going to debut the Sci-Fi Workshop. This is going to be a monthly, maybe bi-monthly live stream show where we bring on special guests, other YouTube creators, some of you out there if you're wanting to come on the show and talk about the great pictures that you've been sending in so that we can actually speak with each other and let the community know what you're doing. We'll also be doing all of the viewer mail will be on these live streams instead of on the videos like we were doing before. And this Sunday, our very first guest is going to be the wonderful Andy Masterson from the Laboratory of Mayhem. Andy does so much good stuff. He creates action figures, custom clothing, dioramas, scratch builds, you name it. I just can't wait to talk to Andy about his craft, his passion, how he learned, and share all of that with you. Now, also in the live stream this Sunday, we were finally going to be doing the drawing for the Enterprise giveaway that we've been talking so much about. I think there's 93, maybe 94 entries into the contest so far. Those are all locked in, so we're not accepting any new entries. I've got a big spinny wheel all set up for online that we will be doing the drawing or the picking of the winner live on the live stream. All right, everyone. So it's very important to point out that if you did enter for the giveaway and you want to be eligible to claim the prize if your name is picked, it is important that you be there during the live stream so that if your name comes up that you claim that, hey, I'm here, I'm going to claim the prize, I'm there. So you're going to have to be present in the live stream and identify, hey, I got it, I win, I'm here. So really important. So make sure if you are not subscribed, if you entered the contest and you are not subscribed, I do recommend that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that on Sunday when we go live, you'll get that notification as a reminder. Now you don't have to subscribe, but it would be a good idea to. I do recommend doing that. It helps the channel, not only that, but it'll help you remember. Or just set your calendar, set a reminder on your phone, 6:30 p.m. Central on Sunday, October 6th. Really can't wait for that, everybody. I'm so excited not only to start the live stream show and start talking to folks and guests and everything, but to get the drawing done and do more live interaction with everybody. Really, really looking forward to that. So we will see you there on Sunday. I hope this is just going to be a great launch to the series, and we will see you down the road Sunday, October 6th, 6:30, everybody. See you then.